Hey everyone, welcome back to Coded Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Synty sword a bit more shinier. I've gotten a lot of requests on this because I did a couple showcases on some weapon combat system that I've been working on. And it's pretty simple. All you're going to want to do is just click on this, go to the element or the materials, double click the element. And then when you're in this material, you're just going to multiply the node in the emissive color by more than what it is now. So currently it's set to 5 and now I'll set it to 10. And now if I were to set this to something like 10 instead of 5, then it will just double the brightness. But if I want to do something a bit more crazy, I could set it to 20. When I hit apply, you'll see it glow even more. So it'll look really shiny. Another thing I could do is you can duplicate these swords multiple times. I'll move this out of the way. So I'll just duplicate it. 1, 2. So I have 4 swords now. And now I'll set each one to the different material. So there's like 4 different ones that the dungeons pack come with. So if you just go to the browser, you can see that this blue one naturally has the M_dungeon02. I'll do dungeon 01 for this one, dungeon 03, and dungeon 04. And give it a second for the textures to load. And now you can just pretty much do the same thing. Just go into the material and I'll set all of them to 20 for the purpose of this tutorial. Set this to 20 and only the one that's connected to the emissive. And when I go back, you're gonna have a bunch of these legendary looking swords, and they are very bright. They do cause a lot of glow on the field, but it does look really cool. And yeah, very simple tutorial on just how to make these swords look cool. Of course, you can apply them to the other ones as well. So for example, if you're in the Polygon dungeons and you type in sword, you can drag out this weapon crystal, and you're going to notice that because it shares the same material that I increased the emissiveness on, it is going to, this is also going to look really bright too. So you could duplicate the material and then just apply these ones separately, or you can do it just all, if you want the shininess or the emissive for all the ones that glow to be a lot brighter, then yeah, you can just change it on the main material. And I'll change this to something like this. It'll be the red version of the sword, or the green version, or this white-ish. So yeah, they can basically have different elements, and then you can add some effects on it. So for example, if you swipe the right one, it could have some flame effect or burning effect if these are your legendary swords in your game to cause some like burn damage over time. And maybe the blue one could be something like a frost one, green poison, and then white could be like guaranteed or really high crit chance, or even some like thunder shock type of thing and paralyzing enemies and all that. But yeah, you do whatever you want, your game. That's a simple tutorial that I was requested on. Thanks for watching Code with Row. Like, subscribe, leave below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.